Welcome to Christmas cheer. There's a lot to cheer about in this collection because there's some really good staple items that just take us back into time. Plus, some of it is just great for today's decorating in the home and celebrating the holiday season. And none better than some of our new featured items on this table. I really love the light up gnomes on the background here. We introduced the infinity light pieces a couple years ago, and most of them were all done with just white lights. Well, we've added colored lights with some of the new designs this year, and these gnomes I know are going to be a big hit. And the gnome, well, gnomes are everywhere this year, and this fun little guy just sits on the table with his dangly leg, but the great thing about him, he's not just a shelf sitter, he's also hollow, so he becomes a tree topper also. A great piece for this holiday season. You're also going to notice a new trend with leather or faux leather that you're going to see in a lot of new looks. And here you'll see it in a few of these signs that are setting down on this table. The front of it is done with a faux leather finish, and it's all inscripted with the holiday messages on them. Great look, new trend using faux leather. And as we continue back here, you're going to see some more of those leather pieces. You'll see Joy and Noel, which is two of our most popular holiday little sayings. They also have that stitched leather look on the front. And a little cardinal family of 3 birds in 3 different positions with that leather finish. We're featuring a new light up snowman this year with wire that just glistens and sparkles with lots of glitter and wired arms. 2 different sizes, great pieces to decorate for inside homes. I don't recommend it for outdoor use, but it'd be great for indoor. And notice our little plush snowmen, they're new this year too. So many new great items. Dangly legs, it just seems like anything that has more character and movement, and dangly legs are usually a very good seller for any of our plush items. And they're resting or sitting in these new wagons that we have for this season. Some new artwork on the wall that are done with the bright colors of red and green and white with snowflakes and trees and snowmen all dressed in their holiday gear. You can glance to the tree. The tree is beautiful this year. We've really taken the tree one step further and added some large elements to it. This packaged or the metal present that we've added to the tree, we brought this in a couple years ago, but it's a great piece to incorporate into the tree, and we're going to add some Fia flames to it so you really get a nice glow inside the core of this tree. A little bit of a candy cane theme is going on in here with all that red and white coming through. And we've done 2 trees in the Atlanta showroom. This one is featuring a lot of green with it, with our new felt holly and our new poinsettia blossom with the candy cane striped edge. Great pieces to help bring this tree alive and make it festive and also maybe a little edible. I wouldn't eat the candy cane, but it'll bring that flavor and that scent alive in the room. So new pieces you'll find on this table with our new textiles, the white ribbon trees with little ornamentation on it, little bells actually, and a little silver trim in a runner and a coordinating pillow. It's a new snowman holding a little Christmas tree or packages for the holiday season. The gnome story here continues, and gnomes are so popular, and we've put them in a lot of our themes. And you'll see a whole series of gnomes here that I think are great, whimsical, fun. They are totally Christmas cheer, saying joy, Noel, holding a candy cane. Some of them are skating, some of them are skiing. Some of the Santas even on the second shelf with almost that gnome feeling to them. So many new pieces to continue your gnome story wherever you go. Christmas cheer has some larger pieces too to it. We have a new set of sleighs. Well, actually it's not a set, it's 2 different sizes, 2 different SKUs, so whatever your needs may be. But great pieces. And the snowmen that we shared with you earlier, we have these light up deer that also come in 2 sizes, and they are battery operated with timers on them. The wood seems to be a very confident element in most of our looks. And we've introduced some new pieces with cutouts, with cars, which are the countdown to Christmas. There's a snowman over there also. Great holiday pieces with the laser cut into wood. The ornaments this season are also exceptional. That there's just so many things to talk about when I look at this wall. There's so many saleable items. Christmas cheer is probably going to be one of those stores where you need to go to because there's some classic, good selling items on the wall here. There also is some exclusive ornaments, as these metal pieces with the snowmen on there. We also have some new ceramic three-dimensional ornaments, a gnome and a Santa with dangly legs. There's a snowman and a Santa assortment here also, with the Santa having dangly legs. A new snowman, new glass pieces with gnomes. Metal is also strong this season. You'll see it in so many new ornaments. This ornament with the fur top is a mitten and a boot. Metal signs that say happy and ho, ho, ho. Many different holiday little sayings that are great for the season. New snowflakes. I really like this one that features a bell hanging inside. And a few years ago, we introduced a garland with a banner on it that said Merry Christmas. Well, we've got a shorter version this year that just says Joy. Some of those longer ones just seem not to fit in the right spot, but this Joy is more condensed. It's only 3 letters, so it's great for that contained area where you don't have a lot of space. I mentioned earlier that we're sharing 2 trees with you this season. The first tree featured red, white, and a little bit of green accent to it. We also have what I call our peppermint tree, which has more candy canes in it too. There's a great stem, our new stem that we have, that has 3 candy canes on it. There's some peppermint pieces that are grouped together on a stick almost as a sucker effect, or a lollipop for the holiday season. Some new snowmen ornaments with a snowflake pattern on his belly with a bright red scarf, all done up in red and white for this Christmas cheer collection. The cheer collection continues with more new snowmen and Santas. The snowmen back here are really, really nice, and a few different little light up houses. They come with a 3D light inside along with a timer. Some new pieces in glass that light up the pillow dome here, and we also just have the cylinder that you can easily drop a candle into, or one of our Fia flames, which will look great in that piece. And we've just done so many cute little things. You've got to take the time to look in our showroom. And I really want you to see this piece here. And this snowman, it's been around for a couple years now, but it's been one of our popular ones because he's so whimsical upside down. It's our snow globe, but he looks wonderful presented inside a lantern. Just little ideas to help you retail and to sell some of the product. Again, the storyboard continues over here with more ornaments in the red and white. All of this comes together in what we call Christmas cheer.